ModCall replaces wired hall stations with wireless buttons to ensure at least one elevator remains operational while others are being modernized. This allows you to maintain continuity of elevator service for one or more elevators in a group, while the rest of the group is undergoing modernization. The standard ModCall kit includes a fire service panel, a fire phase 1 receiver, a hall call relay box, hall call buttons, and a relay antenna. The fire service panel is located on the main egress landing. It contains a Phase 1 key switch and fire hat LED and communicates with the Fire Phase 1 receiver. The Fire Phase 1 receiver is located in the machine room, connected to building power. It receives data wirelessly from the fire service panel and activates Phase 1 on and reset inputs at the controller. The hall call relay box is also in the machine room, connected to building power. It receives button press inputs from the hall call buttons and activates the call inputs at the controller. Hall call buttons are placed on the wall at each landing. Pressing a button calls the working elevator to the landing. The relay antenna is placed inside the hoistway. It acts as a repeater for wireless signals between the hall call relay box and the hall call buttons.